Greetings, rower. This is Tommy Gunn, and we're going to be talking about episode 6 and the crafting offer. Now, I've already went ahead and did all the calculations you will need to figure out if this is a good deal or not. The crank cost, you have to have 57 fans, 64 wires, and 131 common hash boards. Well, here's the cost as of right now. Whether or not that's going to change, it depends on the market. Now, this is times 3, because if you're like me, I'd rather have 2 uncommons and a common. That way I can get the benefits of both of them. Now, I did not add in the merge cost, but it's minuscule as compared to the components. Now, the component power for the crank is 60. If you take the uncommon, it's going to be 198. That includes 198 includes the common and uncommon. Now, it's going to cost you 74 RLT to make one crank, or 3 cranks, 24 to make one. The cost ratio is going to be, if you buy it in the store or auction house, the minimum that you'd want to see it is at 79.44. So if you craft it yourself, you're saving yourself 5 RLT. Now, is it a better deal than the jack? No, it's not, because we did the same thing in comparison with the jack o' miner. And yes, it's a little bit more RLT, 105 versus 74, but you're making almost double the power for 3 of them versus the 60. Now, 1 and 1, yes, that's, if you're going to be able to just do 1 and 1, then yes, I would make a crank and a jack. But if you're able to purchase, if you're able to purchase all 3 of them, then that's what I would do, because it's going to cost you 105 RLT, but the store auction house price would be 132, so you're saving yourself 26 RLT. So that's a pretty good deal. Now, since I don't have that much, I'm not going to do it. So, unfortunately, I can't afford it. Now, of course, if I had the RLT, I'd be doing the pepperoni. And that's pretty much it for today, rollers. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.